Greetings and welcome to another time-sticking YouTube video. Today we're going to be talking about upkeep on Kinetic watches. So if you've come here for a little bit of information, stick with us through this intro and we're going to look at it with you. To kick things off with you today, we're going to be looking at the key component in keeping power for a Kinetic watch, the capacitor. Kinetic watch capacitors are powered by the movement of a spinning counterweight. Counterweights on Kinetic watches work like winding rotors on a mechanical wristwatch. However, instead of winding a mainspring, the counterweights on Kinetic watches generate kinetic energy to power their capacitors. Known as automatic quartz watches, these timepieces do not require regular battery changes, because they automatically power the quartz capacitor while on your wrist. This is where the main issue in maintaining a Kinetic watch comes into play: simply wearing the watch. That's right, the most common mistake that's made with capacitor-powered Kinetic watches is simply not wearing them. Because these watches run on a charge, they function like other wind-up electronics. If they're left unworn for prolonged periods of time, their rechargeable capacitor will start to lose its ability to stay powered. However, unlike other windable gadgets, these watches will hold a charge for days at a time, as long as they're kept regularly wound. Furthermore, time will take its toll on a Kinetic capacitor. Regular watch winding will stave off the decay of the capacitor's ability to recharge. That being said, some Kinetic watches are going to age better than others. When the capacitor completely loses its ability to keep its charge, it is time to replace that capacitor. When doing a refresh on the capacitor, responsible replacement of said capacitor involves a few factors. Firstly, having an experienced watchmaker or watch technician perform this replacement is highly advised. Although it has the potential to be a DIY job, the movement itself can be easily damaged if Kinetic capacitor replacement is not done properly. This potential damage doesn't just come from the act of changing the capacitor, which can affect the guts, it also involves the seals on the watch. There is a gasket seal that is built into virtually every wristwatch. Kinetic watches are no exception for this upkeep. Aging of the watch, as well as opening the seal, make a Kinetic watch more vulnerable to dust and moisture damage. So as a good rule of thumb, it's always important to keep up the seal on your watch whenever it's open, whether it's a Kinetic or otherwise. This also includes the relative health of the crystal or glass covering on your wristwatch. Just as a brief recap, the best ways to maintain a Kinetic wristwatch are to keep it regularly wound by wearing it or putting it on some kind of a winder, to keep its capacitor refreshed as it ages, and to maintain the seal when replacing the capacitor. This includes both the case back gasket as well as the watch crystal. Just for some added emphasis, the number one thing to focus on maintaining is the charge of the capacitor through regular winding. This can determine the difference between years of use or just months of stagnation before needing a heftier upkeep. As well, other factors such as the depth of the quartz movement should be explored if changing the capacitor does not solve any winding or charge issues with a Kinetic watch. Like anything with moving parts, Kinetic watches can and will wear down over time. However, continued TLC and maintenance will keep these Kinetic watches running much longer. So hopefully today's video was helpful for you, and if we missed anything, leave something in the comments below. We're happy to hear back from you. Hello, and thanks for watching our YouTube video today. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, and you can find similar videos right here. For more new and interesting content from Time Sticking on our channel, please subscribe at the link here. And for more information about wristwatch repair and watch maintenance generally, you can find us at timesticking.com. Thanks so much and have a great day.